Welcome back. We are at it again with another installment of our ongoing Mixology at Home series here at Alley 26. I'm Shannon Healy. Today we're going to be making a Cardinale named after the Italian bombshell from the 60s, Claudia Cardinale. And this is an aperitif style cocktail. Tall, refreshing, easygoing cocktail that features some of the Alley 26 strawberry syrup. And I think you're going to like it. I'm going to get a nice tall Collins glass. You can build this straight in the glass, or you can build it on the side and shake it, which is what I'm going to do. So let's do that first. I'm going to use a half an ounce of our strawberry syrup. Like I said, you can build it straight in the glass, but I really like the added kind of fluff that shaking it, froth that it makes when you do it that way. A couple of ounces of Cappelletti. Here's what it looks like in the bottle. I'm going to cheat and use this little bottle here. This is the Cappelletti Aperitivo. The company makes a number of good products, but this is the one I'm using in here. And then some fresh grapefruit juice, and that's 2 ounces of grapefruit. So 2 ounces of grapefruit, 2 ounces of the Cappelletti Aperitivo, and a half an ounce of the Alley 26 strawberry syrup is all I have in this glass so far. So let me get some nice ice here. See if I can't sneak that cube in there. Perfect. Now, this is going to have some sparkling wine. This is a Cava I really like. The key is nice and dry. I'm going to put some on the bottom, and then if I need, I'll put some back on top. And because I'm shaking this and then putting it on something that has a sparkling wine, or if I use soda water, same thing, it's a short shake. I don't need to shake a lot of this. That's all I need. I just want to make sure it doesn't melt this ice too much when it goes in there. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to garnish with a little slice of grapefruit. Just like that. And there you have it. Voila, the Cardinale. Enjoy.